video, and please subscribe and share with some friends. And till next time.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Taj Beauty TV. So today's video is going to be a part of a new series that I will be doing called Wear It Well Wednesdays. So I'm going to be launching this new series called Wear It Well Wednesdays, where I'll be doing wig reviews, try on hauls, and various product reviews. So this series was supposed to be in collaboration with another YouTuber, but you know, sometimes things happen and don't always go as planned. But shout out to you, you know who you are. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a unit by Outre, and this is a part of their melted hairline. So let's get right into it. Okay, you guys, so the unit that I have for you guys is by Outre, and the unit is called Fabiola. So the color that I chose is the color DR Creamy Truffle. So this unit right here is going to be giving you that pretty water wave color. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the cap construction. So this is a front lace unit, so you are going to have to make sure that you go ahead and remove that lace. And she does come with baby hair, as you can see. She has a center part down the middle, the middle part parting space, okay? And let's get into the rest of it. So she has her combs right here on each side of the front area. She has this strap right here to go ahead and make sure that you have extra security when putting her on. And then she also has the adjustable straps in the back, as well as a comb to go ahead and make sure that she is even more secure for you. So as you guys can see already, like I said, this color is giving the highs and lows of honey blonde as well as the darker root. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lace, and then we're going to go ahead and apply her. Okay, you guys, so I just completed adhering the unit. I went ahead and I did what I could with the baby hair. I probably should have trimmed some of the length off of the baby hair. I added powder to the parting space, and now what I'm gonna go do, since the curls are so tightly together, I'm gonna go ahead and get my paddle brush and just kind of loosen up the curl to make it a little bit more softer. So if you're worried about the hair being a little bit frizzy, you could always go ahead and take your foam spray and just kind of add a little bit to that, and that will kind of help if the hair becomes frizzy.
want some rainbows.
Hold on. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. That pretty much completes the look for the Outre Fabiola. She's definitely given some Lion King mane vibes, but I think that she is a good unit. But you'll just have to be careful if you really don't like voluminous hair. But like I said, once I added some of that foam mousse, that definitely went ahead and tamed her. I would say the faux with this unit probably would be how big she can get, and then also because of this color, she can become frizzy, so you're gonna have to make sure that you really, you know, work her, add your products, brush her through, just so you could go ahead and make sure that she doesn't get too frizzy and too voluminous. Let me go ahead and show you the back. So I would say her length is probably on the like 20 to 22 inches. So you definitely get a lot of hair. Her density is very high for a synthetic unit. And on her style card, she is available in cream soda, DR chocolate swirl, creamy truffle, which is what I have on today. Also cinnamon wine, ginger brown, golden amber, DR4 tiramisu, and also the Cajun spice. I may get her in the ginger brown color and see if I like that color as well. But other than that, you guys, like I said, this is a part of a new series called Wear It Well Wednesdays. I'll be doing my try on hauls, other wig reviews, and everything will fall into that category. If you like this video, go ahead right now and hit the thumbs up. And other than that, you guys, I will see you guys. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to come back real quick and let you guys know that the parting space for Fabiola is a 2x5 unit, and the products that I used to style the unit was the Got To Be spray, also a foaming mousse. I did use the Eben tint spray to go ahead and just kind of match that parting space closer to my scalp. And then the last product that I used was the EBN Edge Control. So these were my 4 products. Of course, my blow dryer, and that pretty much sums it up. So like I said, go ahead and leave some comments down below if this wig was a hit or miss, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday.